Do hair with me in the kitchen. This is my neighbor, y'all. She was bugging me, and she know I do hair. That's why I hate living around people because they find out and be looking at what you doing or whatever like that, and somebody done told her that I do hair. Or maybe because she seen my wigs and she always be asking me. But anyway, she wanted a ponytail. It was her birthday, whatever, whatever. So I started off using my hair growth oil. She did buy some, okay? So she was looking out there because she be all in my business, seeing what I'm doing in my garage or whatever. But I gave her some hair oil. She been using it. I guess it's working because she kind of got crop. It's giving a little bit of length. I gave her a nice little trim and, let's just do this ponytail or whatever. So I used a little bit of wax. I molded her hair. It got pretty straight. She really could use her own ponytail. Girls always want weaves, but she still got a decent little ponytail on her. So, anyways, I put the little rubber band on her hair and I'm smoothing it out or whatever. Um, she thought she was gonna get a discount because we was at the house, but no, girl. Um, Same rules apply, okay? You still gonna get a salon fresh ponytail, but right here, like I said, I'm just molding her hair, making sure that is nice and smooth. It's kind of hard for me to mess up hair. Like, I couldn't even half-ass it if I wanted to. But, I guess that just come with time. And I really kind of like this stuff. So, I molded her hair. I'm spraying it down now. And it's important that you get the hair straight, which is why y'all need to use the products that I use. Like I said, I started off with the hair growth oil. That's what I pressed with. And her hair got super straight. So when I'm applying the hairspray and making sure that her thick hair don't go nowhere about this ponytail, it's not gonna revert. You see, the hair is still giving silk press, okay? And you just want to smooth it and shape it or whatever to your perfection. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to take it down and do it till I like it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just shaping it and making sure it's perfect. Cause like I say, even though we at the house, it's still gonna be salon quality because that's just what I give. But her hair is nice and slick now. And I'm just going over, I guess, again, cause I seen something probably. And I'm, just perfecting the ponytail. And also make sure it ain't too tight. Your client want to be able to move her neck and all those good things. So make sure you ain't got that rubber band on there too tight where it's gonna pull her hair out and give her bumps on her edges of her head. Okay, so now I'm braiding her natural hair. I'm gonna put some more hair growth elixir, y'all. I keep talking about this hair growth elixir because y'all must have forgot that I sell and grow hair and edges. Y'all still stuck on the edge control, but we could grow your hair out as well. So make sure you check out our TikTok shop and shop our hair care products, the hair growth elixir, which is a hair growth oil. And like I said, it's super lightweight. You could press with it and all the things. I have a shine spray, which I'm gonna use on her hair. It's a heat protectant and shine spray. And of course, I sell our edge control that got y'all in the chokehold or whatever. Okay? But anyway, so you see, this is a little curly bundle. She said she was going to Canada or something like that for her birthday because she was going to go see Niagara Falls. And I thought that was real cute. I was like, that's different. I never seen Niagara Falls. And I was like, a curly ponytail be good because she was going to be gone for a couple of days. And that way, even if her hair, she take a little sweaty shower and mess up her sleek ponytail, it's still not gonna look crazy because she got the little texture in the back. It's gonna give that she just got a regular, little ponytail, whatever, and it's gonna be all good. So now I'm just going in with the main beauty edge control. Um, as you've seen, I have a big size and a small size. So hit the orange basket, try it out. Like I said, TikTok love y'all. I love y'all, and I would love for y'all to try and experience the main beauty difference. A little bit of edge control product goes a long way. As you can see, her edges are not white. I didn't use a lot. Okay. Her edges was pressed and then I shaped them into the style that I wanted. Once the edge control dries, it's not going nowhere. Okay. And that's on period. Okay. You could tie it down. It'll last a couple of days. I say 24 hours, but for real, you could go a couple of days, okay? So this the final results. It looks pretty good to me. Looks like she went to the shop. Like I said it would. Um, she loved it. I had to get her up out the house though, 'cause her kids start coming next door. They start touching stuff and it mess with my anxiety. So yeah, shop TikTok shop, y'all. And tune in till next time. Bye.